In this video, I'll show you why you should consider signing up for a GrooveFunnels free account right now and show you how to sign up quick. GrooveFunnels is an all-in-one digital marketing tool, meaning you can use it to create websites, landing pages, and also you can use it to sell products online like Shopify and more. This is a ClickFunnels alternative. And at the recording of this video, which is November 2020, you can sign up for free for a lifetime and you don't need credit card. So it's completely free and you can upgrade it later on if you want. And I'll show you that along the way, okay? So to sign up, click on Get Started, but we'll get to that later on. So let me show you quick. Can your website builder do all this for free? And what are they talking about? If you sign up for free, you can create 3 full websites. You can sell unlimited products like Shopify, attract affiliates. You can build your own affiliate product, and also you can sell this product. Unlike the other platforms, you have to apply for it, but with GrooveFunnels, you are automatically qualified to be an affiliate. So this is good, and all without any fees. Can you imagine? So you can get free access for life with no credit card required, okay? And these are all the apps that they have right now. So a quick disclaimer here, at the making of this video, November 2020, some of the apps are still under construction. So you're not gonna get things fully, but you can still do whatever you wanna do. It's still in the good shape because you can use it to create anything. So you don't have to worry. It's just that it's good for you as a buyer. You can get it cheap at the moment, okay? So, but if you wait, it's gonna be a little expensive. So you need to sign up now before it's too late, okay? All right, so they have group pages, group sale, group affiliate, group mail, group member, group video, group card, group streaming, you know, and the list goes on. At the moment, it's the #1 page and funnel building platform. Trust me, people are signing up crazy right now. So please don't wait. After watching this video, don't forget to sign up. So this product, like I said, this free offer that you are getting is worth $99 a month. And when you sign up now, you're gonna get it free for life. No credit card, nothing until you upgrade. And the reason why you want to upgrade is because you wanna get everything that this platform has to offer, so you're not gonna get limitations, okay? Because like we all know, every free product, it comes with a bit of limitations, okay? But you want to take full advantage right now. Also, free lifetime account to Groove pages and Groove sale, no credit card, like I said earlier on. Alright, so these are some of the things you get. Free unlimited product, free build brand website with full navigation, custom domains, bandwidth and hosting, sell products. But I'll show you the full breakdown in a minute. Alright. And these are testimonials from happy customers. Alright, so let me show you the affiliate system. So as an affiliate, you're gonna earn up to 40% recurring commission. If you are a free member, you normally get 20% commission. All right, so let me show you the package. So under the free plan, you can create 3 websites, but under the lifetime plan, you're gonna get unlimited. All right, and the list goes on. You can host videos, like up to 15 videos, but this one is unlimited. And Groove affiliate is unlimited, okay? It doesn't matter, you can sell to thousands and thousands of people every day. There's no cap. So under the free plan, you have 500 leads or contacts and 10,000. All right, so this is subject to changes. So if you sign up now, the better, because prior to September 1st, it was 25,000, but right now it's 10,000. okay? So that's why you have to get into it fast, because this is a lifetime. You don't have to pay anymore unless you have more than 10,000 leads. Then you have to strike a deal. So if, for instance, you sign up for the lifetime and you reach the 10,000, or let's say you have leads more than 10,000 already before you sign up for this, there is a capacity booster pack available, which is $100 a month, and that will give you 100,000 contacts with unlimited monthly emails, 50 GB video storage, and 1 TB video bandwidth per month. But you know what, this is good for big time companies or those who have like heavy leads or a lot of emails. This is not for everybody. All right, if you ask me which one is the best, I will tell you sign up for the lifetime. Okay, all right, so I'll show you how to sign up. You just click on get started. So enter your account info, which is your first name, last name, the email address that you would like to use. It can be Gmail, it can be your business email name, then username that you would like to use. All right, so create a password, confirm your password. All right, then you click on get free access. So when you click on get free access, they're gonna send you email, so you can go inside your email and check what it is. All right, so when you click get free access, you'll be presented with this page and you have 45 minutes to claim your one-time discount price at $1,397 for life. That's one-time offer. You only see this page once. Then this brings you to another offer, which is $1,897, and you have 30 days to claim this offer as well, and this is $500 more. So the best, if you have the money, try and invest now into the $1,397 for life. And also this $1,897 that you pay within the 30 days, if you decided not to pay the $1,397, this is also for life, but with this you pay $500 more. But hey, if you don't have the money now, you can wait and do it within 30 days time. But remember, this is a $299 a month subscription price, and you are getting it for $1,397 for life. All right, so fill in your personal information, choose a plan. There are 4 options like I showed you earlier on. You can pay with a credit card or PayPal. If you need more capacity, I don't need it now, so click no thanks. Thank you, congratulations. Alright, so this is your dashboard. So it has changed from the previous version, and depending on the time you are watching this video, this dashboard can change again, because like I said, you are in the beta phase, so they are still working on things to get better and changing stuff. All right, so right here when you check the beta, okay, so this is the Groove affiliate program or Groove partnership. Also you can click here and get into it. So let me show you something quick. So Groove partnership program, so when you click promotions, all right, so at the moment I have 19 impressions, 16 unique clicks, but no sign up right now because this is new. I just put the links under my videos which is not related to GrooveFunnels. That's why I'm doing this video, so I can start getting attention on my affiliate link. All right, so you can promote the main page or you can promote the lifetime upgrade, but it's still the same. When somebody get on the main page, they still have access to the lifetime upgrade, because once they sign up for free, they can upgrade at any time. Or you can decide to promote this for people to, you know, sign up right away. You have to give people options to decide. All right, let me close out of here, go back. All right, so you have the Groove pages. All right, so the Groove pages, that's what you're gonna use to create your website. So you click new. Depending on your plan, you might have limitations to some of these templates, but if you are under the lifetime platinum offer, you have access to all these templates. Okay, if you are using the free system, you have limited templates. Okay, all right, so these are all the templates, and if you are using the free system, you have limit to these templates, meaning you cannot use all of them. All right, that's why you might have to upgrade. So, and the template, it helps you to, you know, save time, because if you find a template that you like, you're just gonna click on it, upload it, and you just work with it. Okay, all right, so you just hover. Like I said, if you are not on the platinum, then let's say for instance this might be a premium, so it's gonna tell you to upgrade. All right, but if you're on the lifetime, you have access to everything. So for instance, if I like this, I'll just preview. All right, so from here, what I have to do, I'm just gonna check out. So this is like a wedding website or photography website. All right, so if you like what you see, you're just gonna click off and you click select. Okay, so that's how you upload it, then you start building. All right, but I don't want to create a website now because I'll be coming up with website videos soon. So let me just click off this. All right, so you have the group sell, click on it. All right, so this is where you're gonna sell your products. You can create affiliate offers, you can create courses and stuff like that. All right, so as an affiliate for GrooveFunnels, you see your commissions and stuff here, and if you are selling something for yourself, you see all these things. To get your links, you're just gonna click on links, then these are the affiliate links. So whatever you decide to promote, it's up to you. All right, so let me show you something quick. All right, so these are all your links. If you want to promote this on your website, let's say you have a WordPress website or any website, you click on these banners, and as you can tell, I have one of these on my Blogsdom website. All right, so these are the banners, so you can promote these ones too. You can promote any of this. All right, so let me go back. All right, so I'm back to the dashboard overview. All right, so like I said, I'll be coming up with more videos. So this is just a quick update for you to sign up quickly. All right, so let me show you how once again. So all right, so like I said earlier on, this is a limited time offer, free for life, no credit card required, and get instant access. Okay, get started. So click on it and fill in, and boom. All right, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click the link in the description below to sign up. All right, until next time, take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.